Hello, in front of me Nokia 6.2, and I would like to show you how to use AdBlock on this device. So for the first, we have to download AdBlock application. So go to the Google Play Store and type here AdBlock. And as you can see, we have to choose one of the following application. I will probably go for the second. Click on the install. And now wait a little bit. Okay, as you can see, now we can open this application. So click here. We get it. Okay. And now there is loading. And our ad blocking is working. So we have to go to the Google Chrome and now visit our website HardReset.Info. Okay, now we will be in the article about TFT Mobile. And as you can see, there is no ads on our page. So, thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.